The benefits of drinking guava leaf tea. Guava leaf tea, an herbal infusion made from the leaves of the guava plant, has been traditionally used for its potential health benefits. Research suggests guava leaf tea may offer several health benefits, including antioxidant effects and potential aid in digestion. Some studies also indicate it might help lower blood sugar, support heart health, and potentially aid in weight management. Additionally, it may boost immunity, promote skin health, and has shown anti-inflammatory properties. Guava leaves are also noted as a source of zinc and may contribute to hair health. Laboratory studies suggest potential anti-cancer effects, but more research is needed. Important considerations. While generally considered safe, mild side effects or allergic reactions can occur. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before consuming guava leaf tea, especially if you have existing health conditions, are taking medications as it may interact with some, or are pregnant or breastfeeding.